Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we're 2014 Holden Captiva, stock number 7340. Ran from the 1st 2011 to 6th 2018. Here's a Z22D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a Z22D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 19-inch factory maggot tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 19-inch factory maggot tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory maggot tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 19-inch factory maggot tyre, front bonnet, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen center stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,